Right, welcome to this channel. My name is Abel Kantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. All right, in the Protastructure 2024, it has a very great feature that allows you now to introduce a drop panel at the foundation level. Now, like these drop panels, the drop head helps you to take care of punching resistance. Okay, so it's very easy to use. All you need to do, you can just right click on the columns. You see a drop / slab patch panels, and you click on that. You see drop layout, drop patch. You can play around with this to specify the size of this drop panel. Okay, all you do, and then you click on OK. I'm going to be showing you some great features even as we progress. All right, if you love what you're seeing, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon in order for you to get a notification whenever I post videos like these on a weekly, times on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design.